Hello.
Hello. So,
This
what do we got, old girl?
is a 2006 BMW X5, a 3-liter. The last year of the E53 manual transmission, which is
Rare bird.
Yeah, they only made maybe like 5,000 of those that they sold in the U.S. Other than that, it's pretty stock. I mean, there's not really any upgrades on this at all. It's the same car. It's got about 88,000 miles, and it is pretty good. Other than the air isn't that cold, so we suspect that that is low on Freon or whatever the
refrigerant.
The less sinister version of that is.
It doesn't matter.
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay, so first order of business. Director.
So which one's high pressure?
Okay, you have 2 charge ports, low pressure, high pressure. High pressure is the bigger one usually. All the time with 134A. With R12, it's you got to go hunting. But they're all threaded the same, and then that's, yeah. So there's our caps. Those are fine. I'm going to put these safely in my shirt pocket so I don't lose them, or I'll take them home and call you tomorrow. Whatever. So,
put them in the washer.
Yeah, I'll know. Okay, so we're gonna hook up our gauges. Low side. Quick disconnect.
Oh, I like those.
I do too.
Wait, look at Tim's new QCs.
Are we checking out shoes?
Yeah,
I gotta get
we
those.
all wear
Everybody's
these
got a
ones.
QC club.
These are the best shoes ever. Ever. Too bad Aaron's not here too.
AA, Ron? Okay, so low side sitting on there. High side quick disconnect, we're putting it on here.
They don't have the sight glasses like the old cars anymore?
No, and you don't pay attention to that anymore anyway. Even on R12 stuff, I'll just put the hoses on and I'll just go by pressures. So first order of business, you hear it go?
Yeah.
Okay, high sides, reading on the gauges. Low side, reading on the gauges. Okay.
And what pressures are we looking for?
At this point, they're cars off. Doesn't really matter.
Any pressures?
Yeah, there's pressure.
So you know there's
refrigerant.
More than 0.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do me a favor. Start the car.
Yeah.
Put the windows down. Put it on max air high.
Okay.
Will the pressures change?
Yeah, when the compressor engages,
Well,
you'll see.
In neutral with the parking brake on.
Yeah. Good eye wait. Yeah.
Just don't go fishing for that later.
Okay. Windows down. There you go. Hopefully they all come back up.
Why windows down?
Kind of make it work as hard as possible. Yeah, it's on max. All right, put that window down and close the door.
this one I can't close.
Okay, so now our window's open, this door's open. It's fine. Okay, so
Regulator.
first thing I know, I'm over here in my 4 gauges. Okay, it's like what, 110 out?
Shadowing's really bad.
Okay, where do you want me to go? Okay, it's 112 out?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't want your low side to be any higher than 55 psi, and we're at like 68. But you go over to our high side, and because it's 112 ambient out, that should be up to about 350. And it's only at about 275, and that needle's bouncing a little bit, having a seizure. So, you aren't low on refrigerant, your compressor's weak.
How do you know that?
I'm reading the pressures. That's how I know that. The compressor's weak. Also, you obviously have enough airflow across the condenser, because all your fans are working.
Yep.
So that's telling me the compressor's weak because it's not sucking down the low side. It's not pumping up the high side. But let's put the hood down.
What's the low side at and what it should be?
It's at 68. anytime it's over negative 3 ambient, it's going to be between 45 and 55. So let's let it get some heat in it and do some work. Actually, oh, hi! You want to give it a little, just give it a little RPM. Let's see how it changes. Okay, so see, I closed the hood. Look, now with RPM, we're at 50, 350, like 1,800 RPM. Yeah. See, when you increase the RPM, look where we're at. We're right about 50 and close to 350. It's dead on. But it should be doing that at idle, but it's not because the compressor's weak. But with the RPM, it's... So that's why you're good. It's nice now, huh? Yeah. So let's plan on doing a compressor sometime between now and next summer. Yeah. Let's turn it on.
Well, that's what I was saying. It's like it's not great at first, and then once you start driving, it's fine.
Yeah.
So is this dangerous to drive with a compressor like this? I mean, if it shits the bed, you'll know. Right?
It's gonna shit the bed. It's gonna shit the bed.
Yeah, but like operating it with like this kind of weak state or whatever is not dangerous.
It's not ideal. Yeah, low pressure's high and high pressure's low.
Oh, it's fine.
So,
It's nothing that'll leave them stranded on the road.
no, it won't leave you. It ain't gonna huck the belt. You're gonna hear it when it starts seized up. You hear the clutch start to slip,
Yeah.
and just turn the air off.
I think this one, the belt it's on its own belt, so it should be fine.
Yeah.
So it won't blow up my.
It ain't hard to change either. So.
No, it's got a hydraulic, or it's a mechanical
That's got tension.
tension.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It won't make it easy.
The other one's the hydraulic, which is really slow, except the brakes.
So we know what we need to do. We know what we need to plan for the future.
Yeah, that's good to know. I had no idea how you diagnose this stuff.
It's pretty easy. Once you learn temperature, pressure, and how it works, I have a little chart on my phone, so I can go, oh, it needs to be this, this, and this. So yeah, that's it.
If it's the high side is really high, does that mean it's going to block?
Obstruction. High side obstruction.
Because you're supposed to be around what, 30 on the low, 30
Depending on ambient temp.
Yeah.
And like when it's 100 and balls like it is right now, 50, 55.
What would be a possible obstruction? Something normally did.
Dirt, debris, compressors coming apart and it's sending metal through.
Expansion valve.
Yeah, it's just like a motor blowing up. It's the same deal. It's the same thing. So just all right, shut her down. You know, we did what we needed to do, and that's how we diag Toledo.